So here we are again making another hair cutting video, but this time I'm not just gonna cut off like 2 inches. Also, I hope you're having a good day. Welcome back to my channel. Hope things are going well. Anyway, as I was saying in my last hair cutting video, I literally cut off like that much. We're not doing that today. We're gonna be cutting off like to about here-ish. So all of this, bye-bye. I ran a poll on my Instagram stories and that's where you guys said it should be cut. So we're just rolling with it and I'm cutting it off because it's just getting so long and it's getting annoying, and also I just want to change. And what do we do when we're stressed out? Cut all of our hair off. Okay, anyway, let's get cutting. This is like the most impulsive thing. I like don't do this type of stuff. I'm always so like methodical, but you know, I'm just feeling impulsive. So this ruler is 10 inches. Let's measure it. That's probably like a good 17 inches that we're cutting off. So you know what? Hopefully it looks good. I actually have had my hair this short. I cut it like 3 years ago to be around this length. So I do know what it looks like on my face, but we'll just have to see. My heart rate is so up right now. I'm like kind of freaking out, but that's okay. It'll grow back. I think that's about even. Oh my gosh, this is so impulsive. I can't believe I'm doing this. Is this a bad idea? Probably. I laugh like crazy when I get nervous. Let's just... Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Okay, I actually love this length though. This is so perfect. I love that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. That is such, oh my gosh, it's so not heavy anymore. I love it. Obviously it does need to be trimmed because it's not even at all, but that's okay. Here's the ponytail. This is long. Let's measure it. Yeah, it's probably like 16 or 17 inches. Perfect. This will be donated too, because obviously I don't need this. This is literally longer than the frame of the camera. I was like trying to take a thumbnail and this like does not fit in the frame. Okay, other side. Let's do this. I don't know what to do with this though. Do I just hold it? Let's put it into a bag. Hair. Cool. Let's get the other side now. Cool. I actually think I cut this side a little bit shorter than the other side, so it's not very even, so let's even it up. Here's another ponytail. Woohoo. Actually, this is a pigtail. This is such a relief. Like, I still think it's short enough or long enough to get into like a mini ponytail like that, but it's so nice. Honestly, my hair was getting caught in everything and it's so much better now, just shorter. So let's just trim this a little bit because it's quite uneven in lots of spots. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have my mom trim this because I feel like I'm just gonna botch it if I trim it myself. So I'll see you when she trims it. Okay, now it's been evened up. I really like it a lot. It's so much better. I really like the look of this. I like this hairstyle. I like the aesthetic that goes with this haircut. It's really nice. Still long enough to put in a ponytail like that. And yeah, it's just really good. Say goodbye to all of this. Now I won't be going through a shampoo bottle once every 3 weeks because this took a lot of shampooing and conditioning. Anyway, let's throw some curls in it. So I did not curl my hair very well at all, because, you know, I was too lazy to make it look super good. But this is the final result. Anyway, I really like it. As I've said like 20 billion times, I think it looks pretty good curly. It is a vibe. I really like it a lot. There's still a little bit of highlight in it, which I think looks kind of cool. And I have no regrets about doing it myself. Yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you liked it. You know, I hope you felt my adrenaline through the screen when I cut my hair off because, you know, heart was racing. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your hair color is, or like what color you want to dye your hair if you were to dye your hair. And subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!